Good morning, children. Today I am teaching worksheet for you. Revision will be giving now. You see properly and listen it. Worksheet. Worksheet is very important to you people. Read very well worksheet because I am giving, I'll pick the questions from worksheet only, and other thing I have given question answers and all I'll tell you later. First, I am teaching this one. I am telling what are all you have to learn. I gave July worksheet to you people. You learned, I think. Then also I am giving revising these things. First main I have given आ से हा तक वर्णमाला लिखो. You have to write आ से हा तक वर्णमाला. Very neatly you write. How to write? Swar, Vyanjan, that and all you have to write. From A to Ha. I gave in the classwork also. You learned from the beginning in the first UKG onwards, I think. But then also you will write very not written very neatly. You will forget the letters. Each and every letter you observe it, and Varnamala you practice 5 times, children. First main is July worksheet. Varnamala. From आ to आ से हा तक लिखना है. Practice very neatly Varnamala Akshar. We'll write once again here on the board. How to write I'll tell. See children. First Swaragalu A, E. See here, while writing E letter, you people will be writing A letter. This is wrong, children. How to write E letter? See, you bend it like this, small E. Next one is, here you put one line up. E. Always you people are writing like this. E like this. This is wrong. This is Ha letter. See how to write Ha letter like this. Then very neatly observe it. How to write E letter. Ru. See children, give one line like this and see and take up and bend it. C you write down. Ru letter, wait. U letter. U. 3 letter. English 3 number. And see here, U. To bend like this. Next, Ru letter. Put one line like this. And here like this. Like this and like this. Understood children how to write Ru letter? While writing you are something you will write. Ru. Next, A letter. Put it double line, you bend it little more. Here. A, I. A, E, U, Ru. A, I. Then O. Another one line. O letter. And another one line. Double line. See here. In the last line up only you have to put like this. Here also in the last line up only you have to double line. And few children are putting like this. Here. This is not O. Here. This is wrong. See here how to write. A-I-O-O. Full marks you have to take, children. That's what I am teaching very neatly to you. Aha. Visarga Anuswar. Very easy. Then next. A, I, E, U, Uru, A, I, O, O, Amma. Next. Kha. See, children, how I am writing. You joined here like this. Big Kha. You are writing like this means. See, looking Ra and Wa. This should come till here. Bend it like this. See, Kha, Kha. Ga, Ga. See, children, the differentiation is there in Ga and Da letter. In between, you have to give the gap for Dha letter. Here, no need to give the gap. This is Gha letter. You observe it very neatly while writing the Varnamala Akshar. Kha, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya. Put one dot here for Nya. Next. Cha. While writing Cha, you people are writing Ja letter. Don't get confusion. First, you draw one line like this and bend it like this, U letter, and put it. Cha letter. Cha, Cha, big Cha. See, children, Ulta 3. And here the same way, the same line, you round it like this. This is big Cha. In between gap we want. All the children are writing like this. Don't put like this. You give gap in between the letter. Understanding, children? Cha, Cha. Next. Ja. See, children, Cha and Ja, how much differentiation is there? First, we have to bend like this, and then you go for Cha letter. First, we have to put one line, then again you bend it like this and write it. Understanding, children? Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha. Big Ja, how to write? First, you write E letter. Take from here onwards like this. Ja, Jha, Nya. How to write? Give one line here and Ulta C. Understanding, I think. Many more differentiation is there. Why I am giving all the time? You people are doing many more mistakes while writing the Varnamala Akshar. Please, you don't mistake it up. You take full marks, children, for FA1 test. And Ta, see. Big Ta, you round it down. Da, like this. Dha. How to bend the line? Na. Ta. Tha. See, children, here also you will do mistake. See here. This is Ya letter, children. While writing Tha letter, you have to bend it like this. You round it first. Here, no need to round. For Ya, while writing Ya letter. Tha letter, see, in between gap is there. This is Ya letter, no need to gap. Simple letter, this is. This is somewhat like this. You bend it. In between gap we want for Tha, big Tha letter. While writing big Tha. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha. I showed you. This Dha and Ga, see. In between gap is there for Da letter. Na. Next. Pa. Fa. Big Fa. From here onwards, you take like this. Don't. Many more differentiation is there in Ka and Fa letter. See, this is Ka. This is Fa. Ka, we are writing Ka letter. Here only we are rounding like this and writing like this. For Fa letter, from here onwards, where we are writing the line, putting the line, there onwards you have to bend it. This is pa. Understanding, I think. Pa, pa, pa. Ba. See, while writing, wa letter is different and ba letter is different. See, no need to put line inside the wa letter. Here we have to put one line, draw one line while writing ba letter. You understood the differentiation. This is wa, this is ha. Big ba. No, small ba. Understanding, children? Pa, pa, ba, bha. See this here. While writing ba letter, you round it here and take like this, and in between gap we want needed. While writing ma letter, see here. No need to gap. Very much differentiation is there. While writing ba and pa, you cannot understand, children. That's what very neatly you observe it, which is ba letter and which is ma letter. Don't do the mistakes. Pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. See here only how much differentiation is there. Then, ya, I'll show you this side. Yeah, I told you how, see here. How much differentiation is there, you see. While writing ya letter, simple ya you write. Put it full line upon the letter. Ya, ra, la, wa, se, sha. See, children, the pa letter and sha letter is same thing. The differentiation is, you see here. Here, in between the letter, we put one line to here. This is sha. This is pa. Sa, ha. You understood very neatly Varnamala Akshar, how to write, I think. Then we'll go to Bharakadi. I'll teach 2-3 lines to you. Letters. How to write Bharakadi. Bharakadi. We'll take first ka. Start from ka onwards. See, children, ka, simple ka you write. Kha. You joined it swarakshara. And see here, a. This is a. This line you have to take here in the next ka. Ki. E letter. This one only we should not put. This is ki, we can write kai. To the help of swarakshara, you complete the Bharakadi letter. For E, this is small e. This is big E. Small e, first you write ka letter, back side you turn it like this. And second E, here. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? Who? Here like this. For small O, put like this. For big O, see here. Yeah. See here only we have put like this, no? Put it like this. For O letter, inside. This is outside. Crew. We cannot write full root. That's what. How we are. Letter down, you put C letter. Crew. K. For A letter, one line. Take one line up. Kite. Double line is there. Put it double line. O. O. See? Ka letter you write. This side you take like this. O. Here you take like this. Cow. Very easy, children. Observe it very neatly and practice very neatly at home. This is basic thing. If you learned Varnamala properly and Barakadi properly means, you can read very easily Hindi. Otherwise, you cannot. With the help of Barakadi, while reading the lessons, you write first Barakadi. Then go for like this. Suppose Bachon. Where is Ba letter? You find out there. Ba letter. Cha letter. Cho. Where it is like this. Ba. Cho. See Varnamala Akshara and Barakadi. Then you can identify the letters. If you identify the letters means definitely you will read the lesson. That's what you practice very neatly. Crew, K, Kai, Ko, Cow, come. Ka, up. Letter. Ka, next. Aha. See children, ka, ki, ku, crew. K, Kai, Ko, Cow, come, kaha. Aha. Like this you practice Barakadi. Next, another one. I am taking this letter, ta. Same thing. T, to, through. Te, tai. To, tau. Tam, taha. You understood very neatly, I think. Next, this is second main. What I taught you, Barakadi. Next main is Uchit Chinna Lagakar Likhiye. I taught you in the last class. Now, उचित चिन्ह लगाकर लिखना है. थर्ड में उचित चिन्ह लगाओ. Then first one is, see, if I given like this in the test means how to write. You know how many chinna are there? Like this bindu and like this chandra bindu. Another one is visarga, which is necessary to complete the word. You have to observe it. For this badar I gave bandar letter where it is here. Then how to write then? Ba and da in between you write, put like this letter, point. Bandar. Like this you have to complete the word. Another one. Pooch. I gave like this. This is wrong. You complete which chinna we have to put for to complete the word. Poonch. See this one. Poonch. See now. Now it has been completed the word. Then third one, dukkha. I gave like this is wrong. Visarga we have to put in between the letters. Then you go like this. First you write du letter. Visarga means like this. While writing dukkha, you write like this. And fourth one, sam. Incomplete the word. Complete it. Which chinna we have to put for this? See here. Adha Chandra. This line up you put, children. Fifth one, aghur. Aghur not angur. A and ga in between the letter. And here only you can put angur. Letter. Then puna. Puna is wrong. Punaha. Punaha means visarga we have to put. Visarga means double. Like this you complete the word. You understood, I think, how to put the chinha, symbols under. इनके समानार्थक शब्द लिखो. समानार्थक शब्द. Fourth main. Fourth main is समानार्थक शब्द लिखना है. समानार्थक शब्द means what? The same meaning. Word. You have to write. The first one is balak. Balak means hudaga. For him, we are telling bacha. Cha letter half and chavatu. Ottakshara. The same ottakshara. Chage, cha letter hai. Cha ne bandide. Same. Sajatiya samyukta. We are calling for this. The same letters are there means cha and chavatu is there means we are calling for that sajatiya samyukta akshara. Bacha. For balak means bacha. Samanarthak shabd. And second one is asan. Means what? Asan means saral, sulabh. Sarala. Su. I told you Barakadi. Su. La. Ha. You can write sulabha, big, small vowels, but it is not good. Big vowel only correct. Third one, lata means creeper, balli. For this in Hindi, bail. If you put double line, bail will. Bail, this is very much differentiation is there while writing bail and bail letter. And bail means what? Ox. That's what. Bail means only one line you put it. जोतने का साधन. जोतने. उಳುವ ಸಾಧನ. ಉಳುವ ಸಾಧನ ಯಾವುದು? ರೈತ. हल. जोतने का साधन हल. ನೇಗಿಲು. We are calling for that ನೇಗಿಲು in Kannada. Fifth one, megha. Megha means badal, modagalu. Next one is पानी का जीव, ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಜೀವ. Many more ಪ್ರಾಣೀಸ್ are there, but I am writing here only one. We are calling full for ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಜೀವಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ only one word is there. That is ಜಲಚರ. ಜಲ means ನೀರು, ಚರ means ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. For them we are telling in Kannada and Hindi ಜಲಚರ್. ಜಲ್ means ಪಾನಿ, ಚರ್ means ವಾಸಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. Understood, I think. Next main is, this is fourth main, fifth main. The fifth main is खाली जगह भरो. Fill in the blanks. खाली जगह भरना. खाली जगह भरो. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash. काव काव करता है. काव काव means you can say very easily which bird that is. काव काव करता है, which bird, children? कौवा, कागे. दुख काव काव ಅನ್ನತ್ತೆ. Can write very easily. कौ औत्वा आ. Second आ. कौवा. कौवा क्या करता है? काव काव करता है. The second one, डैश गुटरगु करता है. गुटरगु. करता है. They're making sounds. The birds are making somewhat sound. We can identify which bird that is. Then गुटरगु करता है means which bird? गुटरगु, कबूतर. कबूतर means what in English? In Kannada, पारिवाಳ, pigeon. कबूतर गुटरगु करता है. थर्ड वन, डैश कुकुड़कू करता है. ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹುಂಜ. ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹುಂಜ. ಕುಕ್ಕಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕರ್ತಾ ಹೈ. ಕುಕ್ಕು ಕುಕ್ಕು ಅಂತ ಕೂಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅದು? ಮುರ್ಗಾ. ಮುರ್ಗಾ ಮುರ್ಗಿ. ಮುರ್ಗಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಕ್. ಕುಕ್ಕಡಕ್ಕೂ करता है ಮುಂಜಾನೆದ್ದು ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಕೋಳಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಕ್ डैश कूकती है कूकती मीन्स हाड हेಳುತ್ತೆ कुहू कुहू कू ಅಂತ which bird this is ಕೂಗ್ತಿ है ಮಾವಿನ ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಕೂಗುತ್ತೆ it means that bird is singing like this ಕೂಗ್ತಿ है means ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ಡ್ very easily you can tell that is कोयल कू कोयल all are liking कोयल sound डैश चिंगड़ाता है चिंगाड़ी डैश चिंगाड़ता है the elephant sound is different children all are liking elephant the sound how they are making the sound you only know that चिंगाड़ता है in Hindi they are telling which animal that is हाथी in English we are calling हाथी चिंगाड़ता है like this July worksheet I have been today I taught you next class will teach you August worksheet children please you practice very neatly all the mains and it is very necessary to you people for the FA1 test very neatly you observe it and practice it definitely you'll get out of out I can say you thank you children